Well, check these out. Oh my goodness. This is... I'm at a loss for words here. Look at that, 454. Automatic. Modification there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What is this? Like a, or it used to be a 74? I cannot read that VIN there. Wow. I think this one used to be a 74. And this used to be a 76. Wow. And I have no info about who owns these cars or why they were left here to rot. But I thought it was worth shooting a quick video just to share these cars with you guys. Wow. And of course they also have a Trans Am here, what used to be a Trans Am. And an old GMC Suburban. And what do we have here? Is this an Oldsmobile? No. It's a two-door. bossa nova. And this back here, and there's something else back there. There's a few more vehicles back there. I am not going to venture back there, of course. Holy smokes. Oh yeah, look at that. Amazing. Wow. Interesting. An old abandoned building here. Let's try to identify these things. Okay. Sorry about all the noise. Anyway, this one has white lenses, so it's either a 70 or a 71. See, might be a 71. I usually try to identify them, but I've been told that some 70s also had these grills with the screws instead of the studs. And it's got the okay, so there's no VIN number on this one. It was last tagged in 2000 out in California. So either a 70 or a 71. Without a VIN, it's impossible really to tell for sure. This one, someone tried to do the 1968 kind of lenses back there, but it doesn't have the separate reverse lights, so it is not a 68. And of course, man, it's loud out here. And of course it's got the, what do you call these? The egg crate grills. Let's see, also it's got the white or clear lenses. So, oh, this one has a VIN. I don't 194371 S1, so it's a 1971 automatic. It's got the fiber optics too. You can tell that the 70 or 71 from the 72. The 72s didn't have the fiber optics any longer. Yeah, this one has fiber optics too. Yeah, but this one, the VIN plate is missing here. Yeah. And we know this 74. See if it has a VIN plate. Oh, that's almost impossible to read here. Let's see. 1Z371. It's got a 4 in front of the S. I think it's a letter S, so that would be a 74. Inspection back in 1985. It's been a minute. And this one here with the steering wheel with the tilt and all of that, and the Vegas style wheel. It's a 76. Let's see. Yep. 1Z37L L48 6S. So it's a 76. Yep. Well, that clears up a few things, I hope. And I'm glad we checked those, because I knew you guys were gonna ask. So might as well know for sure. I'm curious about this. I like Firebirds. I used to have a Trans Am. Now automatic. Gosh. So this is a 1984, I'm pretty sure. Wow, what a shame. These were nice cars. Alrighty. That's it. Well, with the exception of one vet, we know for sure now that one is what did I say, 71? Yeah, 71. And who knows what the other one with the California plate, what year that one is. And this one, yeah, we said it's a Nova. So, take a quick look here at the Suburban. And there's like all kinds of black mold around this, the glass here. Lots of rust. I wonder where this one came from. No plate. Alrighty. Signing off now. Thanks for watching.